English story by Joe. Like and subscribe my YouTube channel.
On school holidays, Shwe Poe did the job of collecting garbage on a small scale going around in the ward. Here comes a trash cart. It was convenient for him as some money was paid for the trash bags big and small. Shwe Poe usually went to the designated disposal location and disposed of the garbage bags. He had done the job of collecting garbage since he was in grade 4. He was still doing now. Shwe Poe did not feel shame to do that job, simply because it was a decent job and also earned income. Moreover, he was able not only to provide financial assistance to his parents but also to pay for his education expenses. On the days when the school was opened, his father went round and collected garbage. My friends from school who were in the same class did not keep company with me. It's honest work. Only when one is poor in school lessons without studying hard, will it be a shameful thing. Among those who dealt with him in a demeaning manner, Zun Mi was the worst. What an awful smell. Oh my dear, wretch, spit. My work not only gains merit but also makes me have enough to satisfy my hunger. And I also get pocket money. In addition, the household expenses are covered. As garbage is systematically disposed of, it contributes to our health. One day, Shwe Poe got into the street where Zun Mi lived. Will you throw away garbage, please? Meanwhile, come on quickly. They suspiciously ran into Zun Mi's house. Oh. Before long, they ran out of the house. They aren't honest. They have phones in their hands. Shwe Poe realized the situation at once. Thief! Thief! The people in the ward ran out on account of his cry. Hey guys, don't run. What are in your hands? Show them to me. Oh my dear. These are our phones. These guys aren't honest. From where did you snatch them? Meanwhile, a woman ran out of Zun Mi's compound. Those are our phones. They came into the house and took them away. It's dead sure. Send these fellows to the authorities concerned along with exhibits in court. Zun Mi said. Please forgive me, Shwe Poe. I apologize to you for my dealing with you in a degrading manner. It's all right. I just happened to find the incident by chance while collecting garbage. I'm really happy I had a good chance to protect against the danger of the lawless persons and thieves in the ward. It is because of you that we got back our 3 phones. Thanks a lot. It's okay. There may be poor people and rich people. But we need to deal with them respectfully, treasuring them, Zun Mi. Then Shwe Poe left pushing the trash cart. Hearing Shwe Poe's words in her mind, Zun Mi was left behind in tears, feeling regret for her mistake. May you all have a positive attitude of valuing other people regarding them as human beings. Will you throw away garbage, please?